Hey everybody, it's Will from Artec Industries, and today we'll be installing the new JL rear lower control arm skids. So the tools you'll need for this install are 18mm wrenches for the shock mount, and then your 21mm for the lower control arm mount. And let's get what you guys came for and get these bad boys installed. All right, now we're gonna take off these rear bolts, so lower control arm bolt and the shock bolt first. The rear, we will use the 18mm, and the front lower control arm bolt, we will use the 21mm. So using your axle jack or your strap, you adjust it a little bit, so make sure that you can get the bolts out easily, and once they do come free, you're good to go to put the control arm mount on. So sometimes these brackets, they flare out. If you're having issues installing the bracket, you can always use a clamp and clamp the bracket together. Once you have it clamped, it makes it easier to slide on the lower control arm bracket. So you want to slide on the back first, because this lip right here will catch on the lower control arm mount. So now we can release this and then get the bolts to put back in your lower control arm and your shock mount. So if your shock isn't perfectly lined up, you can always use a small pry bar, get it in there and lift up on it to just enough to get the bolt in. It may take some wiggling around, but once you get it popped in and lined up, you're good to go. You can tap it in with a hammer. All right, we got the bolt in, so we're gonna tighten them up. The rear shock mount bolt, you want to tighten to 52. Tighten the rear bolt back up to factory spec torque, which is 56 foot-pounds. The front lower control arm bolt, you're going to want to tighten up to 125 foot-pounds. We got this side installed. We got the bolts back to the factory specs. We're good to go install on the other side. It's basically the same way, just reverse. We'll get this one installed on this side. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe right here. Seriously, right here.